Hello guys, welcome back to my channel My Reviews. So today in this video we'll be talking about the smartphone Honor 9N, which is currently in hype in social medias, and Honor has recently launched its teaser which says the smartphone is launching on 24th July 11:30 am with the hashtag of extraordinary beauty. So let's talk about the leaked specification about this smartphone, which are not 100% confirmed, but yeah, which are probably sure to be in the device. First of talking about some general kind of specification, which is the display will be of 5.84-inch notch display, and this is totally confirmed, and the CPU will be a octa-core CPU, and the storage variant will be 464, and might be the 6 GB variant will also be launched, but it is not confirmed till now. And one thing about this device is it will be having 3000 mAh of battery, which is quite less, but we are getting a Type-C connector and probably the fast charging support, so that won't affect much. This device has a fingerprint scanner which is mounted rear, and other sensors such as light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer and compass are present over there. And the operating system will be Android 8 Oreo. It will rock dual SIM, but the slot will be hybrid or with the extra card, that is not known, but according to the leaked specification it is mentioned hybrid, and there will be EMUI. Obviously the device will support 4G and supports the Indian bands. It will have loudspeaker, FM radio, and thankfully the 3.5 mm audio jack. And this will have high silicon Kirin 659 chipset, and some other rumors also suggest that this device will have high silicon Kirin 710 processor, and I hope that it will get the 710 processor. And talking about the graphics point, it will rock Mali T830 MP2 GPU, octa-core CPU of 2.36 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 plus 1.7 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 if the device will come with 659 processor, but the specification of 710 are not quite clear, and none of the device are released with this processor, so I am quite excited about it. And moving towards the dimension of the device, then it will have a height of 149.2 millimeters, width 71.8 millimeters, and thickness of 7.7 millimeters. And the device will weigh 150 gram, which is a lightweight device, so I think that they won't give the metal build, else that the less battery might also be reason of this weight, but I will expect the metal build. And the colors variant will be black, blue, green and purple. Obviously the display will be IPS LCD, screen to body ratio will be about 80%, pixel density is 432 ppi, and the screen will be full HD plus, and obviously it will support the multi-touch function. The expandable memory card will support up to 250 GB of storage or memory card. Now moving towards the camera section, it will have the digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, etc. features, and image resolution will be 4128 by 3096 pixels, and autofocus, yes, face detection autofocus, and the shooting modes are continuous, high dynamic range mode, or we also call it as HDR mode. And the resolution of the camera will be of 16 megapixel front camera and with LED flash, and it will be able to record 4K videos at 30 fps. Then that is quite great. So these are all the clear leaks of the smartphone, and if you have any question about it, or if I forgot anything to mention, or this is all for now. Hope I'll see you in the next one, and till then, peace out.